Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you which money transfer app is cheaper, Remitly versus TapTapSend. So first, let's go with Remitly. For fees, Remitly offers $0 fees for mobile money transfers. For bank deposits, the fee is 1.99 cents. For cash pickup and home delivery options, it has a fee of $4.99. For the exchange rate, Remitly provides a promotional exchange rate of 59.08 PHP to 1 USD for a new customers on their first transfer. It may vary on what currency you will use. For for transfer speed, Remitly 90% of transfers are received in minutes. Now let's go with TapTapSend. TapTapSend charges no fees for different countries. For its exchange rate, offers competitive exchange rates. True specific rates may vary. For its transfer speed, TapTapSend transfers are typically completed within minutes. Now to our conclusion, TapTapSend is generally cheaper as it charges no fees for transfers to some countries. Remitly's fees vary based on the transfer method, with mobile money transfer being fee-free and other methods incurring charges. Both services offer competitive exchange rates and fast transfer speeds. And that's it.